Yeah, I really love these button mushrooms.
I don't know that I've ever polished mushrooms before, but I am here for this technique.
Hi guys, this is Marisol Salazar with Fresh Takes on Takeout with HelloFresh. Today, we are going to tackle a takeout favorite and one of my personal favorites too, vegetarian ramen. And to go along on this challenge with me is my friend Alana, who's based in New York City. You've had lots of ramen, which is like a, when you move to New York City, absolute staple. Have you ever made ramen yourself at home?
Well, you know the pour over that you with the hot water and you have the with the crunchy noodles. I've made that. I'm not sure that
you made
counts.
Ramen.
Yeah, I've made ramen.
I think you prepared ramen. Today, we're actually gonna chef it up at home a little bit and make it our own.
Shall we?
Oh yeah, let's do this. So ramen, Japanese dish, but with Chinese roots. There's 4 major components. The noodles, of course, our broth, seasonings, and our toppings. Once you have those 4 major components to ramen down, like there's so much room for creativity and like to make it your own at home.
I love that.
Which is exactly what we're gonna do today because HelloFresh has made this insanely flavorful vegetarian mushroom and soy ramen. But before we get into that, we have here some local ramen from a restaurant nearby.
I think one of the most overwhelming things about ramen is probably the layers of taste. I have no idea what goes in there. You know, although I do love a takeout ramen, one of the most frustrating things is that it's not served hot.
I want it hot, I want it fresh, and I want it in my home. Like, I want to be able to make this mine. And that's where HelloFresh comes in.
I got mine delivered earlier today.
HelloFresh has created their new takeout favorites, which actually just makes it super easy to recreate your takeout favorites right at home.
All the ingredients are laid out here for us.
That's right. There's no running around trying to find these super hard to get ingredients or making your own flavorful broth from scratch. They've taken all the guesswork out.
Yes, I'm seeing all the components here. I have the vegetable broth concentrate, the soy sauce. Ooh, these are nice fresh scallions.
We're gonna separate the whites from the greens.
This is good fresh ginger.
Ooh, do you smell that when you're chopping the ginger?
I mean, and that color of the ginger.
Now we got that garlic to do. So fortunately, our garlic is already peeled. So now my fingers don't have to smell like garlic the rest of the day. Yeah, I really love these button mushrooms. We are going to put our noodles into the boiling water. However, this is not like a pasta situation. It's gonna be a quick cook, 1 to 2 minutes max.
Okay.
That's it, so.
I think mine are pretty close to done.
Okay, and this actually comes together in 35 minutes flat.
That's it?
Wham bam, thank you ma'am.
Tossed with a drizzle of oil.
We're gonna take the white part of our scallion,
okay,
the minced ginger, half the garlic. Throw that into the pot. This is what's gonna create that complexity of flavor. Here we go, and a little over for good luck. 3 cups of water into that pot. The hoisin and the miso sauce is actually what's gonna create that like rich umami. Ooh, 3 little packets and a whole lot of flavor. How's it tasting?
Oh, so good.
Oh my gosh, there's a little kick to it. You taste that? While our broth is simmering, we gotta cook those mushrooms that we polished, loved, and quartered.
How are your mushrooms doing over there?
They are browning.
I can smell it. That butter and garlic on those mushrooms.
Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous soy sauce color.
Now that our mushrooms are ready, we are going to plate this bad boy. Ooh, look at that. 35 minutes and it's like, this moment has arrived. And this is just gonna add a pop of color. So we got a drizzle of sriracha, and I also love that like pop of red that sriracha adds.
And then we have these fancy crispy onions that HelloFresh has provided us with.
So I'm gonna do my best crispy onion bay and just like throw that in there.
Boy, you would not believe how beautiful this bowl is over here. And then those scallions on top.
Oh my gosh.
Is it time?
That delicate aromatic portion is like what's lost during the delivery and transit time.
Yeah.
When you're getting takeout.
Oh my gosh, the broth. And those noodles are perfectly cooked.
Bowl to face.
So good. It has that depth of flavor that we were talking about.
Noodles are perfect. Broth is perfect. Mushrooms are perfect. I know we're not together, but I honestly felt like you were in my kitchen and this was so much fun and so easy.
So much fun.
Well, I'm gonna let you finish your ramen in peace. Bye, I'll talk to you later.
Bye, thank you.
Bye. So if you like the feeling and experience of having your favorite takeout and comfort foods, but from the comfort of your own home, stay tuned for more from HelloFresh, where they're doing fresh takes on takeout. I'm Marisol Salazar. I'll see you later.